It's still same spot. Jag X KULR. Bernard, good morning. Jay, good morning. Greg, ayo, free focus. Good morning, Dave, good morning. Good morning, Poman. Good morning. How are yous? Good morning. La. Is there anything else on the list here? Crazy stonks. WTO. UCAR seems interesting today, doesn't it? It seems like it's gonna pop. We'll see. UCAR. Let's see. Let's see. Zapata Christopher. David, good morning. Lo, good morning. Mohammed, good morning. Ooh, I'm gonna need to change that because Good morning. Is it worth buying new car now at this price, Aaron? Let me take a look. No, not really. Why? Because it's been stalling here for too long. Right. The safer level was earlier this morning when it dipped to $7. You can see that demand zone right there, the green zone. It's like it's sitting there for quite a bit. This would have been safer. Now you can see that it's stalling a bit. It's not sure what it wants to do at this price. Between $8 and $8.20, it's a bit confused. So I would let it figure that out on its own. So you're not holding a bag. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. WTO did really well this morning and then sold off. So there seems to be a little bit of consolidation at 37 cents though, if we can stay above that level. So I'm going to leave that up. AUUD was a monster this morning. Monster. Look at the size of these candles. Ooh-wee. Right? And then dipped to a double bottom almost, and now it's pushing again. That looks good. So the last level we failed at was in between 330 and 340. So let's see if we can get there again. And then break out this time. La. Let's see. Oh yeah, my stuff is really slow here. Can you ask me another question? Okay. There you go. Should be good now, Mo. Should be good. Let's see. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like, share the link. We wanted to do these earlier streams, right? I've just been. It's a fine line between being on here early and really benefiting from just staying in Discord. Um, you know what I mean? Because we have all the news and you can catch all of these names in Discord. It's always a fine line, but testing. I'll try and come on. Earlier. So 8:30 is it. Well, 8:35 is the planned time. 8:35 because I want to catch futures at 8:30 when the news drops, and then I'll be on 5 minutes after that. So 8:35 Eastern time. What stock is this? This is AUUD, Aaron. AUUD. Come become a member, Aaron. Come join us in Discord. No more slacking, right? Right. The S&P is also gapping up this morning. Not a huge gap up, but it is a gap up. So we're going for 520 again, it seems like. Goods. Tesla is an absolute waste. Waste. I tell ya, waste. Anyways, that huh, damn thing, an absolute waste. All that amazing news, and the damn thing had to went from 170 something back to 160 something. PTN, meh. Just have it on there because UCAR is now sitting at $7.67. So that's why we mentioned earlier. If you're not sure, just be careful. More like 5 to 15 minutes after. Yes. Yep. Exactly. Like that thing just pops and then comes all the way back down. All the way back down. Let's see. Let's see. This one's red, SPCB. Yeah, that thing looks ugly. My goodness, everything seems a little bit fishy now, except for AUUD though. That looks a bit more promising. That looks a bit more promising. Na 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 na. A little bit more promising. CAUD. CAUD. Little popsies and then came back down. Yup. SMFL had news this morning. So did LGVN. They both seem like LGVN looks a bit better because it has some support around $3.58. I'm just gonna leave it on AUD for now because this one looks the most promising, doesn't it? Virus, let's go, and thrust. Daniel, good morning. Yep, there goes AUUD fighting. Again, that previous high was $3.40. The pivot at the top there. Yep, 340. So we can break above that. Cool. Good morning, Troy. Happy Eclipse Day. Happy Eclipse Day. Maybe that it means today is going to be violence then. If you're watching on Rumble, hello, hi. If you have any questions, just you can just type it in the Rumble chat, and hopefully I can look and find. Well, anyways, um, so there's no need for me to go over this list. We might just refresh every once in a while and check the top gainers into the market open, right? So AUD has done really well, 117% this morning. Again, I don't like going over the news on stream unless the news is really, really shiny and important. Then I really don't. So most of these stocks though do have a catalyst. They've all been posted in Discord, right? So if you're not a member yet, again, join us in Discord. Yeah, but again, we'll talk about most of these names as we approach the open. So for now, the most promising one is AUUD. Even though we have a bit of a double top in that supply zone, so be careful. If you're in this thing, it looks good as long as it stays above the 9 EMA, right? If you're looking for a brand new position, that thing kind of needs to break out and consolidate above that resistance. If not, you're going to buy at a level that we failed at in the past. And then what if it goes back down like this, right? So just be a little bit cautious around this area. Um, right? So WTO had a crazy run this morning from 18 cents all the way to like what is it, 60 cents. There wasn't any news on this one, not even an SEC filing. It was just pure momentum, and everybody FOMOed. So it's retesting the 200 now at 31 cents. It's going to need to stay above 31 cents if it wants to go. So stay above 31. Stay above 31. Again, like I mentioned earlier, LGVN had news this morning. Watch for that support at 358. SMFL also had news this morning. It seems like it came back to retest the 50 EMA at 61 cents. So if it can stay above 61 cents, that's good. Alrighty. CAWD, a little bit of retail hype on that one. UCAR is still dipping. Again, maybe that thing can dip all the way to $7 where the 200 is sitting at and then bounce. That would be better. Tesla announced over the weekend the S&P is slowly going back up. Um, Tesla, yeah, Elon announced over the weekend that what's his face, that they were going to be releasing robo taxis, August 8th, robo taxis, which is really cool. I think what the market doesn't care about though is that Elon has been saying this every single year. He said this in 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, blah, 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 blah. It's like, yeah, we're going to release robot taxis. They're coming, they're coming, they're coming. And they never came. So it's always a pump and dump. This is like Dogecoin behavior, you know? Elon has become a. Anyways, it might be a little bit different now though because he's actually given a date. In the past, he's always said, "Oh, it's coming next year," or "It's for sure coming in 2019, 2020." But this time there's a specific date, so maybe that's different. No, 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 we'll see. But for now, virus is gonna enter the damn stock. La 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 used to be used for robot taxis. Yeah, he also did tweet. He also tweeted that the news about like the Model 2 not coming is a lie for some reason. So I don't know. Right? He so that report came out saying they were scrapping the robots. Yeah. Let me. I don't know if I never actually looked. I just saw the trading view article. Elon spams a lot. My goodness, a lot of rubbish. Mm, 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 mm. And then all the retweets. Brazil. Oh my goodness. Tesla might not run till like after the elections. Uh, oh, there's a interesting. Maybe we need to look at this actually. April 6th. I wrote this. That's the plan 6 years ago. Oh yeah, 2016. He wrote this master plan. Ooh. Create a low volume car which would. Okay. Hmm. Medium volume car. Okay. Use that money to create an affordable high volume car. No, 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 no. So this is Elon's master plan. Energy and so energy storage. Export. La la la. Today. La 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 la. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Self-driving. Okay. That's where the robo taxis come from. We'll have the hotnet to to be full. So okay, cool. Uh, Self-driving. La 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 la. Well, it will mean la 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 to summon your Tesla. You will be able to summon your Tesla from pretty much anywhere. Once it picks you up, you will be able to sleep, read, or do anything en route to your destination. Okay, cool. So in short, master. Okay, cool. Hmm. So I mean, I don't think this is anything new though, right? So yeah, he wrote this in 2016. So energy storage, self-driving, and then EVs, right? So that's kind of what Tesla does. So I think most people look at Tesla and they're like, oh yeah, EV, EV, EV. But Tesla is a bit more than that. So I think the self-driving thing though, it's is cool. Whenever that does happen, as Batman, yup. You're like, where's my Tesla? Your Tesla just shows up, you know. Yep, there goes AUUD. Boom skis. That thing said, "Hey guys, hello, I'm back." So that's a pretty nice push. So that thing had to come back and break about that $3 and 33.40. If it can consolidate about that level now, that would be a good thing. Alrighty, like break, consolidate, because I don't trust these massive green candles most of the time. So let's see if we can consolidate again. If you're in this thing, it looks nice, right? So congratulations. Um, For some reason, we have a blue line at the top there, just below 350. I think it's because we failed at 350 in the past. I think that line is supposed to be out there, right? So it looks good though, doesn't it? So again, if you're in this, congratulations. Like I said, AUUD looks like the most promising name going into the open, right? It's actually showing signs of wanting to do some things. So AMC Entertainment, Adam Aaron's compensation package increased to 25.4 million in 2023 from 23.7 million in 2022. And wow, damn, Adam Aaron is getting paid every year. His like compensation goes higher. So 19 million, 24 million, 25 million. Dude makes an extra million every year. Wow. Wow. Sheesh. Uh, Crazy. The ape army. The ape army. Unbelievable. The only person that's winning is the is management. Making monies on apes. They're like, you go, Aaron. You go, Adam, Aaron. You go. Make us monies. It looks like we're holding the 200 for WTO. Like I mentioned earlier, that 31 cents has to hold. That's your last line of defense here. WTO. SMFL, meh, nothing there yet. LGVN, meh. UCAR needs to find a way to hold between this level and $7. Right, this one does look a bit promising too. If it can stay above $7, that would be good. Anything else? Nope, nope, nope. Most of these other names are just testing the 200. If you look at the white lines at the bottom, that's the 200. Most of them are just testing. Anyways, back to AUD because that looks good. That candle just hit new highs at 359. It does, Bradley, doesn't it? Yep. So the all the little scammies. I never get that though. Like, how the hell do you pay your CEO a little bit more every year as the company performs like as the shareholders lose value? How? If that doesn't tell you something, then how? There goes 360. Oof. Come on. Seems to be stalling up there though. There's a lot of wicks. Be careful, please. How do you pay the CEO extra every year? An extra 2 million, an extra million, an extra 3 million every single year as the investors lose all their monies. At least go down like 0.001%. It's just business. At least pretend like you care, virus. At least pretend. My goodness. At least be like, okay, we paid this dude like 24 million last year. How about we pay him like 23.99? Like, at least care a little bit. Nope. They're like, yep, here you go, an extra 2 million for your work. These anyways, yeah, that's a lot of resistance up there, just by looking at the wicks for AUUD. So like I said, be careful, please. As long as we stay above the 90 MA, I think we're fine, but still, just be cautious. Bonjour, Emer. Bonjour, bonjour. La, 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 la. So Adam Aaron says, I continue to be AMC's largest shareholder. Uh, 2 million owned and granted, owned and granted, owned and granted. La, la, no, no. La, la. Good morning, CM. Good morning. Feelings disappear when money is involved, my friend. That's crazy, isn't it? Like, damn, you have the biggest cults out there, and you're just out here making extra monies, virus, just like that. And going to the movies with celebrities, I guess that's cool. My days. Anyways, so AUUD is still holding the 9 EMA. Uh, if they were just given to me, exactly, Mustafa, exactly. It's like owned and granted. Yeah, you never bought any shares though. La la la. Own and entered. La 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 la. Mm, there you go. He does choose popcorn flavors. Yeah, he does. Come on, AUD, give us a new run here. If you're holding AUD, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Yeah. So again, I said I wasn't going to mention the news earlier, but yeah, these guys had AI news this morning, right? So they received those those AI patents. Obviously, that's always good news these days when you're dealing with AI. And there goes a pop, right? So 360 is the there goes my days. 370 AUUD 370. Mandatory. Yup. There goes 379. Boom skis. Boom skis AUD. Again, if you're holding this thing, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. That's some long wicks there for ES at the very top. Some long wicks. Breaking news. I said I was gonna pay more attention to the Rumble chat, but yeah. Anyways. But yeah, if you're watching on Rumble, don't forget to smash a like as well, or smash the whatever you have to smash. I think it's the like. Aaron, you FOMO'd? What did you FOMO at, Aaron? What did you buy at? This was this was a really nice. Again, we had a class over the weekend. If you haven't watched the video, there's a recording in the members only section on YouTube or in Discord in the education channel, maybe. Maybe 320. Oof, Aaron, good job. So this is playing out exactly as we talked about in Discord. Uh, this is playing out exactly as we talked about, right? So again, if you weren't in that class, you can always go back and watch the recording. Alrighty, so we talked about how to play these names, right? These momentum plays, right? This was a beautiful look at that, right? We came back down, we dipped, we consolidated, right? Dipped, consolidated, and then we went for the breakout, right? So really nice two entries here if you wanted to play with it. Sarah, you just got it now. You just FOMOed into this thing now, Sarah. This is what we talked about avoiding over the weekend. I hope it keeps pumping, right? We talked about two entries. Please avoid buying at random highs. Look for the breakouts. Look for the dips. right? So if you're buying this thing below supply zone at $3.80, I hope it breaks out and it goes for $4. But you're also taking a bigger risk than you should be. So please be careful. Please be careful. Please be careful. Uh, I'm gonna do some illustration here for Troy. Uh, na, 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 na. Uh, la, la, la. Choo, doo, 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 doo. Perfect. Na, 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 na. Perspective. La, 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 la. Yep. Okay. Getting ready to dump. Getting ready to dump. Let me see. Yeah, we are stalling at the top there, right? Yep. 1250. No, it is stalling at the top there. Maybe as we go into the open here, we see a bit of a retracement. A little bit of a retracement. Remind the guys, when did you get in? When Moses was coming back from the burning bush, and then anyways. So this is a quick reminder of why you shouldn't always diamond hand these crazy names over like the next day, overnight. XXAI was the top gainer on Friday. It did really well. MDIA did really well, right? Sometimes when the stock is up 100%, 200%, 300%, take your money and say thank you very much, right? Take your money and say thank you very much. I'm gonna come back on Monday, come back on Tuesday, come back with a fresh. Again, also depending on how like much that thing is rallied, right? And depending on like where it's rallied from. If you're looking at a stock that's gone from $4 to $10, right, and you're like, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna hold this thing because it's going to $200. Uh, you might get yourself in some deep doo doo trouble. So please be very very careful. So again, secure your monies. Secure your monies, because I bet you the people who waking up now and they're like, but I bought XXII and I held it over the weekend. It was up 200%. How come it's down 33% now? But why? Because what's that expression? Goats make somebody makes money and pigs get slaughtered. Anyways, what's his face? Zach Morris is back, right? So wasn't he pumping the stock at some point, Dads? Well, it's down 25% this morning. Anyways, moving on. Looks like AUUD is still holding up there. Holding up, holding up, holding up. Choo, 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 doo, 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 doo. La, 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 la. Let's go. CPI. Rate cuts. La, 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 la. Doo-doo-doo. Hello, hello, Ahmed. Hello, hello, hello. Come on, I was expecting chaos this morning. Chaos. Chaos. LGVN seems to be finding a base at 350. SMFL, nothing happening there. The S&P, yeah. Troy, there you go. Just as you said, dipskis. Should have taken my shorts. 1250. New highs on the S&P by Friday. Probably. In terms of like data coming out this week, guys. Let me pull up the calendar. Let's pull up the calendar. So the earnings calendar is pretty empty. I think starting next week though we have some more chaos like earnings and other stuff. I'm not gonna look at the IPO. We don't really have SPACs this week, SPAC votes. But anyways, so we have Wednesday CPI, right? And also Wednesday is a pretty crazy day because then we have those FOMC minutes coming out. Powell isn't speaking; it's just the minutes coming out. It's just they're just reminding of us of the last FOMC meeting basically. But anyways, and then Thursday initial jobless claims and then PPI and other stuff. So yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, always chaos. Wednesday, Thursday, chaos. Thursday. Yeah, but Wednesday should be the more chaotic day. Your first tattoo should be 1250. No, my first tattoo should be I don't know. Anyways, and then this is the earnings calendar for the week, right? So Tilray, cannabis name reports tomorrow morning. So I'm not sure if that's going to have an effect on the entire cannabis market, with names like CGC, ACB, and whatnot. WD-40. Anyways, there's a whole bunch of like smaller names on the list that I'm sure are gonna do something, but nothing that really moves the market. So yep. Anyways, what are we doing here for AUD? It almost seems like it's exhausted here, doesn't it? So please make sure you have you can't really set a stop loss, but please make sure you have mental stops on this thing. So I would like for it to stay above 350 at the very least. We have about another 20 minutes left before the market opens, so plenty of time. But yeah, interesting. But yeah, so stay above 350 on AUUD, and it should be okay. And then that next resistance is 380. $3.80. It's actually holding the 9 EMA really well. Really, really well. Really, really well. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, please, and thank you if you haven't already. I would appreciate that. Take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Alrighty. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots. Come join us in Discord. But smashing the like really helps nice and early on. It really, really helps. Anyways, no. Okay, let me pull up some of these other names here. I want to see what Bitcoin is doing. Don't really care for Tesla this morning. What's BTC doing? Is back to 72,000? No, really? Oh wow! Oh wow! How did we miss this? Oh my days! BTC is gone skis. BTC, the last I looked, we were testing we were above 70 to 71. But yep. So now, all-time highs when is the only question. right? So when 74 BTC, when 74 BTC daily, and or the 4 hour time frame looks amazing, 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 amazing. La 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 la, amazing. VVPR announces further direct investment in blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. 12 days, yeah. So push for that all time highs already. Roller, yeah. 419, 419. AUUD is looking a bit sus now too. Yeah, I think CLSK was gapping up this morning too. So Josh is gonna be smiling like a goat. Smiling like a goat. Disconnect. Na 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 na. And there you go. So we finally closed a candle up below the 9 EMA and then it dipped. So 350 is your next support to watch. 350. I said 350, but really that breakout was at 340. So maybe we really should be paying attention to 340 instead, because that would be the double top retest. Alrighty. But again, if something is stalling that long, that should give you enough time to take profits or just have a mental stop loss and say, you know what, I'm not gonna go below this price or this price or that price. So some CLSK calls, Virus. Let's go. It's the woods. Virus needs to get a tattoo of the woods, of nature, of one of those birds. Because, anyways, anyways, let's see. Okay, what else do we have for news here? So VVPR had some news. That's the latest thing to have news this morning. AMLX, cool. Blah blah blah. No, 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 no. Just looking. No, no, no. VVPR. You know what? Let me pull up VVPR too. Yeah. There it is. Isn't it funny? Like I kept talking about the VVPR news, but I didn't actually pull up the charts. Yeah, Justin. So 750 is a bit of a supply zone, isn't it? Yeah, from last week. Yep, $7.50. I think the reason why it popped like that though, the birds. The reason why it popped like that was because this thing already had that momentum. Because I don't think that news is that amazing. Yeah, like if you look at the headline, it's not that amazing. It's just one of those names that people were paying attention to already, and there's nothing else that's crushing it. So yeah, UCAR is still just chilling here. I still think that that thing has potential as long as we keep getting higher lows. UCAR, right? So I'm gonna leave that thing up there. So again, that initial bottom was $7, and then we bounced to 740. Now we're sitting at 760. So as long as we keep creating those higher lows, there's still a chance for UCAR. Still a chance. BCAN. La 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 la. Yeah, Pecan seems to be one of those disappointing names. Seems like there's a bit of support there, Justin, at $1.14, but yeah. VVPR. That thing is stuck there, and that supply zone stuck, stuck. Probably looking at the bird, Let me turn off my notifications here, otherwise it's gonna get annoying. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Yeah, 101. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. When these splits run and then all the other splits want to run too, Justin. Come on, it's Monday morning. Can we get some chaos? Can we get some chaos? WTO? Meh, nothing. LGVN still holding that demand zone. SMFL, nothing. Bitcoin looks nice still, even though it's given some of the gains back. Still looks nice. I think we mentioned that if Bitcoin could break above 71.5, that was the run level. That thing broke out and crushed it. This is the 1 minute, but it's the same level we talked about already. I just moved that line, so I'm gonna move it back here. But so that little white line at the top, right? We tested it once and then failed and came back down. And then the second time Bitcoin got to that 71.5, it took off. That thing said bye, and it pretended like it was coming back for a retest, like it usually does, and then boomski 73 almost. So that was a pretty nice push for BTC. A pretty nice push. Air C, okay. Exactly. Any day, Justin. Any day. There goes your balance. Oh my goodness, look at AUUD, right? So that thing came back for that $3.40 ish, and then bounced. So there's always we say this all the time. There's always a retest, right? Breakout retest. In this case, you have a bit of a double top right there. We broke above it, and then we came for the retest, and now we're going back for the highs of the day. So whether you're in there still or you bought, oh my goodness, look at that thing go. Oof. Look at that thing pop. Look at it pop. Be careful with those big green candles. But look at that thing pop. That thing said, "Oh, you want chaos? Welcome." So if we can now stay above, if we can get back above, if we can break above 380 and actually close the candle above, and then give us $4, please. Give us $4, please. If you format into AUUD, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. If you format into this thing. There we go. 386. Not yet. Josh is like, wait, you just wait. I'm about to. um, Again, if you haven't seen the video from the weekend, right? There goes 390. New highs of the day, 391. If you weren't in the class over the weekend, we spent about an hour and a half talking about when to get in, right? How to play these momentum names like entries and exits, entries and exits, entries and exits, right? We spent an hour and a half talking about that, the different ways you're looking for, and for the most part, we talked about two, right? The dipskis and the breakouts. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you should go watch it. It's in the education channel. It's in the Discord calls recap channel, right? Please, please. If you're gonna FOMO, there's a time to FOMO and there's a time not to FOMO. So, right, dipping below the nine, right? That was another really again dip below the nine, curl back above the nine, retest. We talked about all of that, right? And exactly, the market opens in 10 minutes. Maybe we dip skis, so that's gonna play a role in this. Uh, and that supply zone vanish. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. 391, 390, and dipping a bit. Exactly. Educated FOMO. My mission this week is to learn about this funded trading concept, Justin. Okay, sounds good. Well, I call you Justin because, anyways, buddy guy. Yeah, okay. Funded concept. Yeah, funded accounts are interesting. Interesting. At least you're not losing your monies when you're, you know, if you're losing, you're not losing your own monies, which is good. What's VVPR doing? We failed at the supply zone, so let's see if we can find a way to consolidate and then retest that supply zone. Back to AUUD again. Like I said earlier, this name seems like the most promising name into the open here. Yeah, Top Step. Yeah, Top Step is nice. Apex. There's a whole bunch. They're all in the futures channel in Discord. Virus. $50 at a time, magic proof. Your money just goes, huh? It's like, hello, welcome, bye. Violence. All I see is violence, virus. Oh my days. Anyways, there goes at 394. Come on, going once, going twice, and here comes $4. Boom skis. So break $4, close above $4, and send in more. Come on. 399. And there goes a break. If that candle can actually close above 4, that would be nice. That would be nice. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Let's see here. Four seven. Good morning, Alan. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Come on, give us more. At least go test 420. You know that's the magic number, isn't it? $4.20 AUD. 420. 420. I'm always a little bit skeptical though. Whenever these stocks get to like between 410 and 420, like 420 is a big level. Oh my goodness, that thing said 420. You want it? There's 420. Boom skis. 195%. I bet you this pop there. That was not gonna name any names, but I know who FOMO'd into this. Good morning, Dan. Good morning. Good morning. Not gonna name any names, but I know who FOMO'd. Be careful at 420 though. Usually an issue. Usually. So we really haven't closed that candle above 420. So be careful. Be careful, please, and thank you. Again, if you FOMO'd at any point into this thing, you're probably happy. Probably happy. I see what you're looking at. Sold out. Eclipse glasses. Interesting. I see. Annette's good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello. Again, this one's behaved really well. Like I mentioned earlier, we spent about an hour and a half over the weekend in Discord talking about entries and exits into momentum names, and this one is played out exactly as we mentioned in Discord. Right? Look at this. This is perfect. I'm not even going to go all the way back down there. I'm just going to look at this. Right? So again, we talked about dip skis and curl back above the 9 EMA. That's perfect. You don't have to buy the highs, do you? You do not. This was a beautiful curl. Beautiful curl, right? First entry, second entry, educated FOMO, breakout, right? And then forget about it. Next position, another dipski right there. You can look at this, and that's exactly what's happened again, right? Dipski, retest, and another breakout, right? These breakouts are a bit crazy because it has a lot of momentum, but it's doing the exact same thing, isn't it? So, like I said, be careful at 420. 420 is usually a big problem because ask Virus why 420 is a problem. Uh, just pay us 50. The 50, maybe. Oh my days. Yeah, exactly. So I bet you the people that just have limit orders at 420, they're like, yep, I sold at 420. I bought the stock at $1.50 and I sold at 420. How cool is that? So, yep. Yep. Anyway, so mentioned this a few times. AUUD is the most promising going into the open. Funny you mentioned that because I just wanted to go look at UCAR. UCAR. There's UCAR. UCAR also looks a bit promising. The reason why I like UCAR is because if we zoom out a bit, we're getting some nice higher lows, right? I like what it's doing there. So again, bottom is $7, higher low, higher low. I like what it's doing there. All in all, it still has the same resistance though, right? That's the only issue here, right? Same issue at $8 and just up there, 820 ish. So if we can break above that level after the market opens, that would be good. So we have 4 minutes left here. So UCAR seems a bit promising. We're going to pay attention to that. Um, Pay attention to UCAR as well. VVPR had news this morning. It popped, but then it's struggling there, right? So WTO playing with the 200 EMA if it can stay above that. LGVN is holding that demand zone at 350-ish, 345, but it's going to need to get back above the 200 EMA. SMFL had news this morning, meh, right? Anyways, back to AUUD because it has the vibes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Come on, give us more vibes. Yeah, just be careful here. There's only 3 minutes left. Only 3 minutes left. And then violence. All I see is violence. Choo, 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 choo. Interesting. I wonder if the S&P dips at the open here. SPY. Bitcoin still looks nice. I'm gonna leave Bitcoin on the right hand side and then the S&P on the left hand side here. Yeah, SPY is stalling a bit there, but meh. Anyways, hi Omega. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Question for you guys in the chat. We have about 2 minutes left before the market opens. What's your favorite name going into the open? Everybody is going to say AUUD. And then Justin's going to say UCAR. And then Virus is going to say these. And then Dan is going to say NQ. Rubbish. See, I knew it. I knew it, Justin. I knew it. Look at that. Dan is like NQ. And everybody else is like AUUD. Both of them. Both of these? Okay, sounds good. Steve? Okay, sounds good. Anyways, back to AUUD. It does look really good though. Like it's pushing and it's just giving us higher lows. What's not to like about AUUD? The only thing that's not to like about this is that the market is about to open and some people are going to take profits, right? But it can easily just pop at the open too. So let's see what happens. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. I would really appreciate that. It really helps when you smash a like. So take a second before the market opens and then forget about it. Smash a like. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, click the link, become a member. Come join us. Alrighty. 10 minutes to see where it finds a base at. That's a good plan, Justin. It's going to dip at some point and it's going to have to find a base. So again, like I mentioned earlier, 420 is a big level. Even if there's no resistance there, just knowing that it's 420, it's a big level. So yeah, and we're failing at 420. Surprise, not. Right, retesting the 9 EMA here. Waiting for a retest. There we go. Market open. And AUD said what? Who? Me? Dip? How about you, dip? There goes 422. 424, 413. Again, a lot of chaos. So if you're not sure, just sit on your hands and let that thing find a base. There goes Dipskis. There goes Dipskis. $4. $4. So again, this is a typical market open candle, right? It's like big boomskis, big drops, big boom, and there goes 440. Oh my days, look at that. Look at the size of that candle. My goodness. $4.50 incoming. Ooh-wee. That thing said, you want to dip? How about you dip into these? Again, still be careful though, right? So just because we're pumping at the open doesn't mean we're not going to drop here soon. Oh my goodness, 480 guys, 495, 499. Oh, what? Excuse me, who approved this? Who approved this rally? Oh my days. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And it's not stopping. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Live W is also pushing too. That thing said, you want a dip? How about you catch these hands? 95. Where's $5, guys? Where's $5? $5 going once, going twice. AUUD. Three, two, one. Oh my goodness. That thing just crushed $5 like it was a piece of cake. 520 and then backed off. Wow. Damn. And it's not stopping. If you forward into this thing, type in yes in the chat. If you forward into this, type in yes in the chat. SMR. Whew, 487. Don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, please. Especially at the open. You know there's going to be a dip, right? This has like XXII behavior all over it. XXII. 387? Okay. Justin FOMO, Omega FOMO. Yup. I win $50. Veronica was like, I'm waiting for the dip skis. That thing said, yeah, you can dip. You can dip on your own. But again, this thing has given us some really nice entries, hasn't it? Some really nice entries. If you were in Discord over the weekend and you joined the class, this was perfect. This was exactly what we talked about over the weekend in that Discord group class, right? So if you missed that, again, go back and watch the replay. This was a beautiful entry right there. Beautiful entry, AUD. And then a breakout, another beautiful entry. And then another dip ski, and then a curl back up, another beautiful entry. And then another breakout, and then boom. So, yep. Yup. We're now sitting in a supply zone just below $5, but that damn thing is fighting. UCAR is also going boom skis. No, UCAR is dropping like a tomato. Dropping it like it's hot. So we got to the top, and then we double topped. Like the candle broke above, but it never closed above. Also, this was another thing we mentioned in Discord over the weekend, right? Please be very careful with these large candle breakouts. Why? Because there's a good chance they come back down. So everything we talked about over the weekend is happening now, right? So if you FOMOed into this, not good. Back to AUUD because that thing is an absolute monster. Look at that, $5.30. Sheesh. Yeah, it's UCAR is halted down. Halted down. Look at the volatility on this thing. My goodness. Volatility. This is the chaos we wanted, isn't it? Volatility. $5.30 at the highs. And it's going back up there, isn't it? Sheesh. Look at that. 530. 530. Yeah, suspended. Yep. Yep. In and out, Sky. Congratulations. You're adding to your position, your CXAI position. Okay. Yeah. So AUUD had AI news this morning. They announced that they received a core AI patent, whatever that means, right? So now whatever that means. So if anything else is moving, if anything else is going to be a sympathy play, it's going to be the AI stocks, right? So CXAI moving, maybe not a massive surprise. Actually, Mohammed sent me a DM about CXAI this morning, so that's nice. So live W hitting highs there, nice. ACB is also running for the highs. So cannabis stocks, running, AI stocks running, and whatnot. So again, hopefully, if you're in AUUD, you have a stop loss, please and thank you. Right? You have a stop loss. You have a plan for that position because you know we're gonna sell off at some point, right? Okay, good. We're gonna need to consolidate somewhere and figure out the levels. What's the S&P doing? Mm, interesting. It's interesting. $7. Promising. Yeah, if it can stay above $7, yeah, because that's the level we bounced at this morning, Kimbella. AUD is volatile though, isn't it? Like the range is crazy. Like the bottom of the candle is 450, and then boom, on the same candle is back to $5. Look at that. That thing is going moving 50 cents in one candle. Crazy. 50 cents. Obviously, there's a supply zone up there, so be careful. Na 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 na. CGC is also hitting 11, going for $11. Damn, cannabis, guys, cannabis, cannabis. It's AI and cannabis this morning. AI and cannabis. So, picture. Anyways, I don't know how you can picture cannabis and AI at the same time, but you can. You can. Let me pull up some of these other names. LGVN looks like it dipped at the open and then popped. So that's not too bad. I would leave that on the side though for now. Let that thing figure its rubbish out. Let me take a look at CXAI here really quickly. And then Live W is another one. So CXAI looks really nice actually. You know what? I'm going to get rid of this one for now. So Live W. So these names are just waiting for the market to open, and then boom skis. And then I want to pull up some of those cannabis names too. It looks like VVPR is kind of bouncing up the 200 at $5.57. So if it can stay above 557, the 200 EMA especially, that's not too bad. Cool, cool. This one has been a little bit weird, WTO, but it's still holding 31 cents. Alrighty, so if you're watching WTO, make sure that thing stays above 31 cents. If it can, cool, fine. Right? Cool, fine. Bitcoin is dipping, the S&P is also dipping. So you're looking at LGVN. Okay. Yeah, I want to pull up some of these cannabis names. So ACB. Tilray reports earnings tomorrow if you missed it. We talked about that earlier. So I'm sure that's going to have an effect on some of these cannabis stocks. But yeah, for now, though, CGC looks like money. So there's ACB. Anyways, back to AUUD. Back to AUUD. We just had to let the market open. Wait, what? ALCC is almost going for $15 now. Beautiful. Do you guys remember that stock? Mustafa does. Are you still holding it, Mustafa? ALCC. UCAR is dropping. It needs to consolidate. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's up $2 today. Beautiful. Right? So this one was spammed in Discord quite a few times. Right? In the $12 range. Well, it's going for $15 now. So this one was posted in Trade Ideas a few times. And Mustafa was spamming this stock on stream and in Discord in Stock General. So this is the AI SPAC, energy AI SPAC with the guy, whatever his name is, Sam Altman or something, right? So it's right there at the bottom right. So, yep. So if you're holding this one, congratulations, because it's done well. It's done well. AUUD almost seems like it's met a little bit of resistance here. I don't know if it's actually going to drop, but there's a lot of resistance here, so be careful. It's going wild. Aaron, please put a stop loss. What's your stop loss at, Aaron? Whenever people say like, "Oh my goodness, this stock is going to go wild," as the stock is up 250%, I'm always scared because I know they're going to diamond hand it, and then they're going to be like, "But, why, Aaron?" So for now, yes, we want it to go crazy, of course, but please just make sure you put a stop loss, please. And if it goes crazy, you're making monies. But if it doesn't go crazy, you secured some monies. Please. 20%. Tough. Nice. Very nice. Years back. There goes 470. There goes 460. So some dipskis here. A lot of resistance for AUD. Right, surprise? No. No, no, no. 1999. You don't have one, Aaron? Yeah, just don't go red, please. Don't go red. Look at that. Don't go red, please, and thank you. Hopefully, we can stay above the 20. Hopefully, we can stay above 450 and the 20 and the kernel. But if it doesn't happen, because it really hasn't sold off today, you're guaranteed some money still, right? So just don't diamond hand it, please. Thank you. So stay above 450 there, please. I'm going to set an alert here for a breakup of $15. Yeah. 27% lion. And then drop. And then drop. There's CXAI. New highs of the day. New highs of the day. LGVN. That might have actually been a really good retest. Right? That was a really good retest. Right at the bottom, then the demand zone with the white line. Yep. $3.20. And immediately up to $4.30. Right? Obviously, a supply zone. We failed at this level quite a bit this morning, 430. But yep. UCAR, yeah, UCAR. See, the thing about UCAR is we never really consolidated anywhere, right? Like we're still just dropping. So no consolidation, abyss. Um, so hopefully you can find a way to consolidate at some point. I don't like that it's below all these moving averages now, but it's still really early on in the day for it to reclaim those levels. Yeah, right. There's no consolidation, right? Again, if you missed the class over the weekend, we talked about consolidating, right? So it's one thing to have an idea in the back of your mind, but it's another thing to actually see that other people are looking at that level and buying at that level, or people are no longer selling at that level, right? So for now, hopefully it finds a base somewhere here above 650. Hopefully. If not, problems. ACB is hitting 10% there for the day. ACB, and it looks like we're holding the 20 EMA here for AUUD and pushing back above the 9. So as long as we keep closing these candles, and look at that thing bounce, my goodness, look at that, look at that thing bounce. Sheesh. Yeah, I think the 20 is the line to watch here. The 20 and the kernel. If that kernel goes red, this thing is gonna fall face flat, face first. So for now, it looks good. It goes 496, 498, 498. Dip and rip, dip and rip. Yeah, no, it is nice. Like when you're looking at these dips, it's nice when you have a position and you're green in that position, because you can withstand some of these sell-offs, right? So most of you guys are nice and green on AUUD, so you're fine. You're fine. Just get back about $5 already. Too much to ask for. You get an eclipse for your birthday. It's your birthday today, Gail. Wow, happy birthday, Gail. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gail. Eclipse. Well, number 8 is a lucky number, Gail. So anything you buy today, let us know because it's gonna go boom skis. Chinese number 8. Number 8. So yep. Happy birthday. Na 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 na. how are futures treating you this morning? Ooh, no, I don't want to open the calendar. How are futures treating you this morning? Oh my goodness, the S&P dropped like that. I just looked at ES and I saw a fat dipski, and now it's bouncing. There goes AUUD though. Come on, $5. Damn, what happened? Ooh, that would have been a nice short actually. What time frame is that? 3 minutes? Yeah, that would have been a nice short. Doo, 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 doo. That would have been a really nice short. That thing dropped like a tomato. Doo, 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 doo. 37? Let's go, Dan. Oof, monies. By singing like that. Anyways, there goes $5.20. 528. My goodness, what a monster this thing is. So again, last resistance was at 536. So technically we're hitting a double top anywhere close to 530. Double tops. Yeah. Yeah, Justin? Well done. Because as soon as you got out of that thing, abyss. Abyss. Oh my goodness. I'm calling the FBI. Justin, what happened? As soon as you sold it, it came way below the LGVN. Yep. Yep. The only problem here, Lion, is all this resistance at $4.30. If you look to the left hand side, there's all that resistance up there. So yes, it's pushing above, but it's not really closing above, right? You weren't the only one. Nope. Everybody said, why should I wait for might as well just sell at close to 530, I guess, if it's a double top. It's still holding the 20 EMA though. Crystal, let's go. Crystal. Do. Hmm, interesting. Stuff, are you in Discord? I feel like you're in Discord. Do you have like two different usernames, stuff, W70? LGVN. So these were our two favorite names coming into the open, right, guys? AUUD and LGVN, two favorite names, and they both seem to be doing well into the open here. They both seem to be doing well, and look, maybe the money is rotating to LGVN now. Yup, come on. Let's see if that candle actually closes above this time. UCAR. Yeah, might need to let's see here. We double bottoming. Yeah, there's always that retest, right? Again, my only concern is how is that we're below the 200 and everything else. But yeah, this damn thing better have a double bottom here. Better have a double bottom, $6.50. If not, send it to the grave. LGVN just had a nice breakout. Um, and it's going. Oh wow. Oh my oof. Oof, 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 oof. Oh my goodness. Somebody call 911. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. That was a crazy pop. This is why, again, this is why when we talk about entries, we talk about two different things, right? So off the bottom and on the breakout. Why do you think we buy the breakout? Somebody help me out in the chat. Why do you think we look for the breakouts? Why do you guys think we look for breakouts? Why do you think we ignore stocks sometimes when they're sitting in the middle like that and wait for the breakout? Somebody help me out. Oh, no. 77, Roy. That thing has been a monster. My goodness. An absolute monster. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Why do you look for breakouts? On that momentum pump? Yeah, that was a crazy pop. That was a crazy pop. AUD, the money definitely rotated. The money said, oh, no, everybody's going to a different stock. Let's go. The money rotated quick. It's quick. So nobody knows why we buy breakouts except for Gail because it runs. Am I the only one who can see my chart, Alan? You can't see my chart. Hmm. You I'm not sure why. Maybe just refresh your thing. Refresh, refresh. Memory issues. Like yeah, like it's the space on your computer. Hmm. Shift hit refresh. Yeah. Doo-doo. LGVN. Yeah. Yeah. Just refresh it once. You should be okay. That was quite the pop hit though. Uh, uh, okay, fine. Since nobody knows why we buy breakouts, um, I'm going to ask a different question than one of the other questions we asked over the weekend. Why should you wait for sell-offs? Like when you're buying something, why do you wait for the sell-off? Let me know in the chat. Like if you're gonna buy. So again, the two things we look for: breakouts and sell-offs. Since we don't know why we want to buy the breakouts, why do we buy the dipskis? And there goes LGV and new highs of the day. Looking good. Looking good. FOMO. Less people trading today. Um, I just got an alert. I bet you that alert is for. I bet you that alert is for ALCC. I bet you that alert is for ALCC. I need to go look. Sesh Ayo, how are you? UCAR looks like it really was a double bottom. Beautiful, Justin. Beautiful, très magnifique. Beautiful. ACB, what are we doing here? Still dipping? Yeah. Dipping. La 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 la. Dips for the retest, Mr. Fix It. You buy the dips as long as it comes back to a base of support. Exactly. Exactly. Everybody else is slacking, Dan. Everybody else is slacking. La 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 la. The reason why, like, don't want to necessarily answer the question before I say it is because you saying it makes you feel like, you know what. Next time you go to buy something, you're gonna ask yourself this question, like, is it doing this, right? Just because you've actually typed it out, it's almost like you know how they say, like, when you have a goal, it's one thing to have your goal in your mind. It's another thing to write it down, right? Then you're like, you know what, you think about it all the time, blah blah blah. So. Um, ALCC. Uh, Maybe I should have just looked at the damn alert. But anyways, yeah, CNXA is going back for the highs of the day. Lion. Good morning, Joe. Let's go, IBAN. Let's go. Yeah, if you missed that call over the weekend, you missed out on a lot. So you can always go back and watch the replay. Let's go, IV. Come on. Let's go. Uh, for a bit, personal. Okay, I might be jumping back in here soon. Let's go. It's good to see you, Ivy. Good to see you. Yeah, so ALCC double top at $15, break above that and send it. CNXA looking good. It needs to break about 38.50. LGVN looks nice. You have a bit of a supply zone at 540. And then AUUD is dipping. It has to dip at some point, right? It has to. We're not just going to pump. And then if it decides to consolidate and. What alert is that? So Live W just hit new highs of the day. UCAR is back to $7, and that's an alert for ALCC. We just broke above $15. Broke above $15. Again, this thing was only spammed. Pizza, the useless goat. Look at it go! Look at it go! Look at it go! I'm just looking here. Okay, let me repost this. Na, 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 na. There we go. Crazy stuff. Hmm. Oversized loads on the road today. You're home. Oh wow, that's interesting. So they want you to stay home because today is the eclipse. Yeah, LGVN failed at resistance, right? So again, 540 supply zone dipskis. Live W done really well. CXAI again dipskis consolidation and curl. Oh my goodness, look at it go, guys! Look at ALCC go. Look at it go. 1550. Look at it go. 1560. Oh my goodness. Look at it go. ALCC, $116, guys. $116. There goes 1570. ALCC. ALCC. That thing came back for the retest. It looks like it's going to go back down there, Joe. ES. Stalling a little bit. And that thing just had a wild candle back down. Crazy. Anyways, again, this was posted in the 12s last week, right? Spammed a few times. $13, right? And then here it is at 1540. So if you made monies on this, congratulations. Let's go in and out. Let's go, Justin. See, Justin is scamming these names today. Scamming them, Justin. Good job. Well done. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. You're waiting for the crime? Crime. And SPAC volatility. SPAC volatility. Back to retesting. That was a pretty nice push though, wasn't it? A really nice push. Again, you guys see how we talk about like one strategy and it just repeats itself on all different stocks? Look at this breakout. What do you see? When you look at this stock, what do you see, guys? What do you see? What do you see? Let's look at the open, okay? What do you see? When you look at this stock, what do you see? What do you see? Especially if you were in the class over the weekend, what do you see? Let me know. Peter is going to answer with something stupid. He's going to be like, I see Mullen. Peter, I'll fight you. I see pride. I see power. And beautiful, Justin, right? So you can see the resistance, right? You can see the resistance. You can see the breakout, right? So you can see the retest, right? You can see another, and you can see the next resistance. You can see the next double top. You can see the breakout, and then we're coming back for the retest. In this case, it's not holding, right? So this was a really good spot. This was a really good spot there, right? I mean, look at this candle compared to look at this drop over here compared to this drop. One drop is like sell your underwear to the black market, and then the other one is like, hey, slow and steady, drop, and then curl, and then boom skis, right? So breakout retest, beautiful. Looks like somebody's smiling. Will also be directed to fly in different happen with that gravity as I was showed and rumors of Iran. Oh, interesting. Let me trade. It's not my day today, Tash. Yeah, if it's not your day, just sit on your hands, Tash. Sit on your hands. In it, bruv. In it, bruv. Anyways, AUD is still dipping. What does this look like? Kind of looks like a weird double bottom. Let's see if we can curl back above the 9 EMA there, though. Alrighty. LGVN still dipping for the retest. Of course, there's always a retest. UCAR looks like it's hmm, like this is why I don't like when stocks go below the 200, right? This is why I don't like when stocks go below the 200, because you can see all the right things. So a stock giving you a double bottom, a stock giving you a double bottom, a stock testing the 200, a stock testing the 9, a stock testing the kernel, the 50, a stock doing all these retests but sitting above the 9 is a good test. A stock that's doing all the right things but it's below the 200 is horrible. Horrible. So once you go below the 200, it doesn't matter what you're doing. You want to be a bit more cautious with a name like that, because once you're sitting below the mother of all moving averages, you have a problem, right? So again, the analogy that we've used over and over is again, pretend that the 9 EMA, the nine is your mom and dad, right? Pretend that the 50 EMA is your grandparents, you know. Pretend that the 200 EMA is your ancestors in heaven, right? So if you're sitting below the 9 EMA, that means your parents don't want you. Okay, that's not that bad, right? That's not that bad, you know. um, if you're sitting below the 50, that means your grandparents don't want you either. I mean, that's not that bad, right? I mean, there's somebody in the sky watching over you, right? Okay, now if your ancestors don't even want you, they're like, you know what, God, leave this child alone, there's no hope for this child. If your ancestors don't want you, then there's no hope. There's no hope. You are finished. Okay? So that's exactly what happens when you go below the white line. Nobody wants you. Then just give up. Okay? Okay. You watched Mulan? No, I didn't. Have the chat's future. Life lessons. Yes. So if you're holding a stock and it's going below all the moving averages and you're like, but it's going to come back, right? You have a problem. You have a big, big problem. Okay? Okay. So next time you're watching a stock and it does that, just remember that. Remember that. Yes. If your ancestors are sitting beside God and they're like, you know what, God, this child, meh, 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 meh. And 14 likes. Whereas if you're watching a stock and you're watching this, look at this one. Look at CGC, right? CGC got to the white line, and the ancestors are like, you know what, God, I like this child. I like this child. Yes, yes, they're not behaving, but look at that white line. Look at that. Like, you know what? There's hope. There's hope. Look at that bounce. Boom skis. Now there's hope because it's above the 50 and it's above the 9 now. There's hope. There's always hope. CGC. Yep, look at that. Perfect bounce. You know? Anyways. um, even moral of the story. Yes, even ancestors will screw you. Adam Aaron will screw you. Ancestors will screw you. So, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Anyways. Anyways. Do. La, 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 la. Like last week, IDI. Okay. We'll keep an eye on it. Okay, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Oh yeah, look at that red. Look at that reds for ES. Yep. Let me send over a chart here. Dang it. Okay. No. Fun nugget. When it this thing better rip now. AUD, love it, Veronica. You're nice and green, so just even if it doesn't, Veronica, just put a stop loss, move it higher. You're nice and green, right? You want to know? You know what? You want to know what the difference between this one and UCAR is? This one is still way above the ancestry line. Look at that white line. The white line is like, you shall not pass. You shall not pass. By the power invested in me, by the Oracle of Nigeria, you shall not pass. Anyways, I'm kidding. But yep, it's holding above the white line, so there's always hope. So I just put a stop loss way above $4. Of course, you're guaranteed to make money, and then move it up. Alrighty, alrighty. Oh my days, pizza. Wait, what did you do? What did you do? Na na na. There's a lot of volatility there, Joe. Yeah, it looks like a double bottom almost. Uh, levels. Okay, I agree. Yeah, that looks like a nice double bottom there. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. It looks like it wants to break out now, Joe. A big fat stick of 381, 381. Oh yeah, no, we just stalled at 390. Uh, how do you pay off 30 million in debt and have the share price tank? What stock is this, Jeff? What stock is this? No, 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 no. La 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 la. Anyways, yeah, it needs to get about $4.60 AUUD. What's LGVN doing? Oof, that thing is getting destroyed. It just went below the ancestry line too. Ew, ew, brother. Look at that. My goodness, ancestries. Yep, yep, Peter. Yep, yep, yep. Na, 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 na. Let's see where that candle closes though. And look at that. As soon as it goes below the white line, ancestors don't want it. Ancestor says, nope, absolutely not. Throw it in the garbage. CXAI, Dipskis, Live W is about to, well, it's hitting new highs of the day. So if you're playing with this thing again, you want to see why this thing is doing so well, guys? Why do you think Live W is doing really well? Because it's above the ancestry line. Look at that. Every stock that we look at that's doing really well is above the white line. The ancestors are putting in work. They're putting in work. They're like, you know what? Believe in this child. This child is the next Elon Musk. Actually, no, not the next Elon Musk. Elon is useless. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Um, Let's shout. Send it. Is it bouncing? Yeah, it looks way better now. Way better. Send it, send it. It's gonna need to close above that little line there. What else to talk about? Wolf? Wolf, I'll take a look. Wolf is alert. So they paid off 50 million in debt, and the stock is down. It's down 7 cents. Oh, you mean like earlier? The news came out earlier. That's interesting too, though, because Bitcoin isn't selling off today. It's very interesting. Oh, look at that, $5 AUUD. Oh my goodness, Victoria, where are you? I called you a different name, Veronica. There you go. Look at that thing. Oof! Oh my God! Look at the ancestors, guys. The ancestors are like, yes, you go, you go. Look at that thing go. Oh my days. Sheesh. The nerve. Oh my goodness. So dip skis, curlies, and gone skis, right? Another dip. Again, this is exactly what we talked about over the weekend, right? Exactly what we talked about over the weekend, guys. Exactly what we talked about over the weekend. So again, if you missed the class, well, go watch the replay or join us in the next class. Right? These group classes are very important. I think next weekend we're going to talk about swing plays, like how to know when to keep holding onto a play, and we're going to talk about how to build a watch list. Right? So those are the two things we're going to look at. Alrighty. Again, this is exactly what we talked about to a T. Perfection. Right? Dip ski, consolidate, curl, boom skis, especially on a momentum name. Now it's hit a triple top there, so be careful, right? Even though it made new highs, it's still a triple top. So loosely with BTC green. Yeah, Wolf has always been a bit of a weird one. Nah, 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 nah. LGVN, it's slowly trying to retest the ancestry line. It's begging for forgiveness. Will it be forgiven though? That's a different story. It's a different story. Let me zoom out really quickly. I haven't looked at the daily yet for AUUD because it seems like there's a bit more room all the way to 650 there. I know someone mentioned 650, and that's a pre-split level though, right? So that's why I really don't pay attention to those all the time, but it can be something that we pay attention to. But that's only going to happen though if we break above $5.30 and actually close above 530, and then we can talk about the 650s. Uh, repayment. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know. Wolf is always interesting. That's for sure. Always interesting. You still in that long, Joe? I'm tempted right there on the retest, but depending where that thing decides to close, though, I'm gonna wait for that candle to close. Oh wow, that candle came all the way down and then closed up there. Dang. And it's gone, Joe. Wow, unbelievable. It's the FBI. They're like, oh, you wanna? Okay, I wanted to repost something. Doo-doo. There goes $5. $5, guys. 520. Uh, No, no, no. There it goes. What's your stop, Veronica? What's your stop loss at? Sold at 550 fast. Page, congratulations. Congratulations. That thing looks like we hit that top again, didn't we? Yeah. So we're gonna need to break and close above. Again, this is why I keep telling you guys, Jeff. Please, 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 pay attention to the technicals. If you like, if it's a long term play, like if it's really a long term play, then you just have to again you believe in it and dollar cost average. But if you're gonna be annoyed that it drops, you have to then just pay attention to the technicals, right? And then just leave it. You know. So 450. No, no, no. I know, but like, what's your stop loss is at 450? Okay, so you okay. You bought at $4. Stop loss at 450. Um, that's fine. I would move that stop loss a little bit higher, but it just depends, right? So no, no. If you're in at 450, Veronica, no way in hell your stop loss is 427. I will come find you and I would take your computer away and I would change the password and you never trade again. No way, right? So don't put you're nice and green. Don't put your stop loss in the red, please. Once you go green, don't go red. Move that thing up. I'll find you. I just have to, if you live in the States, I'll just send Dan and Virus. You don't want these guys finding you. Ready? Anyways, there's no hiding from Virus. Yes, is it pumping now? Did I miss that long? Yeah, it's playing with that moving average there, Joe. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Dang. It's playing with it. It's holding it though, but it's playing. It is playing there, Joe. These are games. I wonder what it's gonna end up doing there though. Dang. That might have been the last chance for long there. So much crime. Yup. UCAR's trying to go. Suck my ass. Stows. Oh my days. What is that alert? ALCC? Okay. ALCC. Are we back about $15? Yeah, it is. So much crime. Uh Come on, give me one more dip, Joe. I want in. I want in. I'm gonna close it if it goes if it closes below that line though. That thing's like screw your dip. How much time do we have in this candle? Oh damn. Okay, there's another minute left in that candle. Oh wow. I think it's gonna run, Joe. It's gonna run. Can't hold long term and complain about it? No, you can, Jeff. You can. You got out for small profit? Yeah, that's fine. So we have about another 20 seconds left on that candle. Yeah, it's gonna go up, and it's going up. There it is. There it is. Sheesh. Talk about fight. And drop below the 9. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, UCAR retested $7. Well, it's still below the ancestry line, but it's fighting. This line is going to be a huge problem. UCAR to the 21st century as expected. Yup. Look at Live W. That thing is a monster. It's just going, just sneaking. Sneaking. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this. What do you see, guys? You see a breakout? Do you see a retest and the curl back up? Beautiful. 61%. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hey, it's playing with it, Joe. It's playing with it. There goes 67%. Oof. Damn. I'm on it. Find the bottom at 348. There goes 70%. There goes 74%. Oh my days. There goes 77%. Oof. My goodness, live W. My goodness. 75, 76, 77. Dang. La 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 la. Pizza. Oh wow. Yep. That was the long name. There goes ES. ES is gonna push it there. Push it, ES. Push it. The sound short narrative looking for an entry. I think I got more downside before next earnings report. I'll take a look, Bondi. I'll take a look at sound. Sound is always getting inside. Good job on selling that thing, by the way, Veronica. Because look at it now, right? It was $5. It was now it's five. It was five. It was 520, 490. There it goes 470. So, good job on securing some profits. Even if it goes back up, you can always get back in if you need to, right? Yeah. LGVN needs first of all needs to close back above the 200 EMA there, above the ancestry line, right? And then it looks better. Please and thank you. CGC still fighting. Live W, look at that thing. Oof. 78, 79, 80%, 81%. You had to buy the 220 dip on Wolf. Okay. There goes 83%. $2.40. Very nice. There goes 85%, 86. Going once, going twice. And sold to Peter. 87%, 88%, 89%, 90, 91. Oh my days. Is this causing FOMO, guys? Anyways, $2.50 should be a bit of a problem, as it usually is, right? Psychological level. 250 problems. So FOMO has limits. FOMO has limits. So there goes 250. Retest. 3, 2, 1, and 95%. Oh my days. 97%. Let's go, Justin. Come on, 101%. Oof, 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 oof. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 20 cents cup of call out when you are switched over. Let's go, Justin. Let's go. Let's go. So we hit a supply zone then and then backed off. You educated for my $2.20. Look at these criminals. We just move on, rotate and switch, move on. I love it. Look at this. Again, Veronica, this is a really good example, right? This is a really good example of why your stop loss should never be in the red. Please and thank you. Please, ever, ever, ever. Okay? Okay. Because you bought at $4.50 and you put your stop loss. Well, this thing just went from $5.50 all the way back to your entry. That again, I'm glad you sold this thing because you would have been sitting from nicely green to break even. That's unacceptable. You might have got back in at the same price, and that's way different now because you're not just buying at the same price. You have some profits, right, from the last trade. So, yep. And there goes Live W with the Dipski off a supply zone. Dipski. Oh, you did on a bike ride yesterday? Let's go, Crystal. Look at that. Doge Love. My Doge Love. This is one of my favorite hoodies. Not just because of Doge, but also because like it's so comfy. Like I feel so like comfortable in this hoodie, like so at home in this hoodie. So at home in this hoodie. It's yeah, Christo always wears these hoodies. Always. Don't love hoodie. Nah. This long is ooh wee. Oh, there it is. There it is. It was coming. It was coming. That was a really good long. It kept fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting, and then boom skis. And fighting and fighting and fighting, and then boom skis. Okay, let's see. Do 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 do. Hmm. Wonder if we get a little retest there. Hmm. And then boom skis. 12 long, 12 contracts long. Oof. Oh my days, Joe. Oh my days. Take off your shirts. Anyways, AUD is rebounding again. The stock has some interesting vibes. Some interesting vibes. You know those type of vibes, like we're not done vibes. Yeah. Look at this. ALCC is back to the highs of the day. So if you're playing with this thing, congratulations, because it looks good. So when $16 breakout. CNXA is also at the highs of the day now. Nice. Very nice. 5 15.90. Give us 16. Give us 16. Do. LGVN still playing. Just trying. Really trying. And Live W is retesting the 9 EMA, so that's good. Really good. La la la. La, la. For an escape track, I bet you these tracks are like copycats of some other stuff, you know? Is averaging down and whoop like like he did around us? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Jason. And I use it. Wow, Peter. And I use it as a floor rack. You know what? Nothing to say. Wow. Anyways. You know? For what? A sweater? Yep. Yep. Anyways. The market's rebounding a little bit there, obviously with ES bouncing. Shame on you. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. Oh, that's a. Are you still in that long position, Joe? Maybe we go back up and retest the top there. Ooh, look at that push! Look at that push, Joe. Oh, ES is pumping now. Dang, that was a perfect long. Yeah, it's pushing. It's pushing. 14, 7 points. Sheesh. My goodness. I actually, my story just certain watches. That was it. Oh my goodness. Yup. Send I wonder if that's let's see what happens at that double top there, Joe, because there's a bit of resistance up there. 5K position. Yeah, that's impressive. Very impressive. I'm leaving another channel that doesn't talk about futures. Oh my days. You're out at 8 points. Okay. Yeah, I do wonder if that's a double top, like a little short position there, Joe. We'll see. Choo, choo. What you want to do? Well, Tesla's a bit. Anyways, back to AUUD here. Is Tesla is at 171? Yeah, trash, 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 trash. Whew. Nah, nah, nah. Again, hopefully, if you bought Live W, you took some profits or you had a stop loss. You don't just hold these things because they come all the way back down for the retest. So let's see if we can stay above $2 here on Live W and then turn it back around. Yeah, UCAR is retesting the ancestry line. The ancestors, shall he pass? Maybe not. It's also a double top, 715. So let's see what happens. It's a nice higher low though. So also looks like an inverse head and shoulder doesn't adjust him. So inverse head and shoulder retesting. Only problem is $7.15. Virus, I would prefer 200, please. Please. Can we stop going back to 165? Like, what the hell is this rubbish? Can we stop going down and playing in up and down and up and down? Like, can we stop it? And can we just go like one direction and stop with the rubbish? Anyways, anyways, no, 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 no. Yeah, there's nothing else on the scanner that we haven't talked about today, which is good. No, 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 no. 50. Nothing that we haven't. You're holding ES. Oh damn! Sheesh! Look at the size of that candle. Oh my days! What's that? Okay, the tippity tippity top is okay. That's just the top from yesterday. Oh my goodness, Joe! Look at the size of that candle. Pizza, that would have been a nice long. Oh my goodness! Damn, that thing wants violence. It also looks like it's topping out though. Joe says, "Never mind, I'm holding. I'm holding." Yeah, Live W came all the way back down to $2. Peter, sorry, oh, sorry, sorry. I missed it. Well, Peter, sorry, oh, sorry, sorry. Sorry, oh. If I have a nightmare tonight, I'm flying to Los Angeles and visiting Peter with a stick. They're gonna ask me at the airports, for security. What's that stick for? Don't worry, it's for medicinal purposes. Unbelievable. Rubbish. Anyways, the AUUD doesn't look like it's done, does it? Doesn't look like it's done. So hopefully it keeps pumping. Joe, that's looking a little bit sus there, so be careful. There goes $5. Ooh, 506, 510. Yup, it doesn't look like it's done. Unless we get a lower high at some point, and then it's done. For now, as long as we keep getting these higher lows, monies, happy days. So obviously a lot of supply at the top. You could probably use a stick. Say the story. Yes, yes, Jeff. $5.06. Looks like Live W is actually holding $2 for now. So hold and then get back above the 9. Anyways, back to the monster of the day, AUUD. Uh, stuck something in there. I would have ended up in jail. They're like, do you have any food in your bag? Like, nope. By the way, there's a piece of chicken in my bag. Thai chicken, some Thai rice, spicy Thai rice. Saving it for Canada. Anyways, CNXA has done really well today. Are you in that thing, Lion? They're like, so where you go? Where you going with this rice? Like, don't worry about it. Unbelievable. Don't worry about it. Na 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 na. AUD Live W news. Yeah, that's looking a little bit interesting there, Joe. Joe's just holding it though. Joe's like, come on, send it more, send it more. Well, comforts 850 points. Yeah, no, you're nice and comfortable. You're nice and comfortable in that trade. Over the sell. Okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, look at that, $5.20. If you're still holding AUUD, type in yes. Type in yes in the chat if you're still holding. I'm tempted to take a short right here. Tempted. I'm tempted to take a short because that's a lot of wicks. Peter, should I take a short? Yes or no? I take a short. This one's on Peter. Peter controls this one. Na 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 na. One more leg. Joe and Peter says yes. Okay, I'm gonna take a short then. Uh, okay, okay, order in. It's not filling, Peter. It's not filling. It's not filling. Waiting. Vivan said nope. 14 contracts. And what? Peter says, oh, I'm in. I'm in? I'm in. Oh my days. Oh my days. Come on, Joe. Start selling. We need it to crash. Come on, Joe. Start selling now. I'm inside. If I lose money, I'm coming to fight Peter. Anyways, I'm gonna put a stop loss though. A stop loss at, okay, stop loss in. Let's go. I'm green. I'm green. I'm green. There's no long position. I'm green. I'm green. I'm green. Don't worry. Don't worry. Peter's about to. That's gonna be the irony. Peter's gonna make me monies. Peter's gonna make me monies. Don't you worry. Oh, let's go. Let's go, Peter. Let's go, Peter. I want to see disaster. I want to see. Oof. Oof, Peter. Come on. Maybe I should take profit actually. Now I believe in Peter. Peter, should I sell? Yes or no? Should I sell? Peter controls this trade. La, 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 la. You want Tesla to push up a little bit more so you can go short? Ooh, Tesla's done really well. Am I still green? Oh, damn. Okay, now I'm back to green. Sheesh. Should have taken the 1250, and just moved on. Oh, look at that. Look at that resistance there in that supply zone. Damn. This trade is looking a bit sus now. Peter is being quiet as I'm about to get entered. Oh, wow. Damn. I like that candle. Okay, I'm back to green. Nope, it's back to the bottom, Joe. Oh my days. Did you see that candle? Ooh wee. Ooh wee, pizza. I knew pizza was gonna make me monies, you know? I knew it. Damn, I should have taken those profits. But instead, what I'm gonna do now though is I'm gonna move that stop loss. I'm gonna move that stop loss to ooh, to right there. So at least I'm guaranteed some monies. Okay. Peter wanted to pop. There you go. Now shoot. Whenever, we're still inside, Joe. Don't worry. It's still inside. We want more blood. We want more blood. Come on. Crash more, please. More. Oof. Ooh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Give me new lows. Give me new lows. Nah, I should probably take the profits, huh? Okay, order in. Okay, I'm out of there. Okay, I'm gonna close this position. Okay. Oh damn! As soon as I sold it, we crashed more. Let's go. That was a nice short, wasn't it? That was a nice short. Yes, pizza. Yes, yes, pizza. I told you Peter was gonna make me money. Yup, 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 yup. I should have got more contracts. I should have had more faith in pizza. I'm out now, Joe. You can stay inside if you want. Oh, Peter, sorry, 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 sorry. Let me. You want to see the beautiful short? This was the beautiful short. Anyways, it was stalling though. That's why it was good short. Like, it was stalling at the double top too. So it's a double top and then stalled. So Lotus copy short. Peter has a screw this. It's okay, Peter. It's okay. What's like LGVN doing here? Slowly curling? Yeah. Retesting the view app now. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I bet you that thing is gonna go right back to the highest though, Joe. It seems to have that vibe now. Seems to have that vibe. You're going to make breakfast? Okay, sounds good, Joe. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Breakfast. You dusted it. Well, it's going back up. Maybe we take the same short again. Actually, maybe. But nah, that was a good exit too. So I'd be red now because we recovered. Well, not red, but UCAR still failing at the ancestry line, guys. Mara is a POS. Glad you got rid of that thing. Yeah. These miners have been a little bit, annoying lately. Jeff is dealing with Wolf now, so Tesla get rejected. Yeah, 73. Hmm. At least it's above 170. 15 points per van. Yeah, yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy. Mm, 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 mm. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, we need something else to relax and break out. Relax and break out. Yeah, no. Relax and break out. Please and thank you. What else do we have on here? Don't think we've missed anything today, really. Don't think we've missed anything. AUD still looks like we're getting those higher lows, so not completely dead yet. If we can get back above $5, that would be good. That would be good. What's the difference? La, la, la. Hmm. La, 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 la. Not good. Hmm. There goes AUD. So this thing obviously isn't gonna die. It's not dying. So good morning, D. Hello, hello. You showed up earlier today, D. Good. Good morning. How are you, D? How are you? How's the family? Hmm. I wonder if that's another short there. Don't like it though. It's not at the tippity top, but it does look a bit sus. A little bit sus. Do, do, do. Come on, send it. Yeah, other than that, everything else seems a little bit slow. Even, I mean, like Live W, like Lori mentioned, yeah, it broke below $2. It curled initially and then broke down. And then broke down. So we'll see what happens here. UCAR is still, again, we mentioned this today, right? When your stock is sitting below the white line, you have a big, 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 big problem. Alrighty, so that thing needs to close above the 200 if it's ever going to do anything else. Right? When you go below the white line, chances are when you go back up, that white line is going to be a problem. Big, big problem. Also, when you look to the left hand side, there's resistance at 715, right? Right there. So when it goes back up, you have the 200 and 715. That's a problem. Right? So, anyways, back to AUUD. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Again, I don't know what to tell you. Uh, I don't know what to tell you. Smash a like. It really helps more than you know, right? So I would really appreciate that if you could take a second and smash a like, please and thank you. Ready? So smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, uh, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. You took profits? Yeah, it's done well. Ooh, look at that nice pop. Spy just broke above 420, guys. 420, 520, sorry. Ooh, can you imagine 420? Chaos. Blood on the streets. 420, 520. 520. Do, 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 do. $5.20. Not bad at all. We need some more chaos though. We need some chaos. Really? Very cool, actually. Cool. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, yeah, I don't really see anything else that I like in the markets for now. So we're just relaxing, waiting for the next thing to show up here. Yeah, Lori, let's see if this thing can stay above $1.75 live W. 175. It's really not a retest of anything. A retest would be lower, but let's see if it can stay above that level and get back above the 9. Alrighty. So let's see if we can stay above. It's trying, fighting. There we go. 86. 86. Are you in it, Lori, or you're just watching for now? Yeah, it's gonna need to reclaim that 9 EMA. If not, we're gonna retest the 200. And again, we know what happens at the 200, right? So better stay above it. Better stay above. La, 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 la. Let me look at this other one too. Actually, yeah, the S&P almost seems like it has an issue there, but this one has some unusual volume here. FFIE, yeah, some unusual volume, and it's sitting in the demand zone too. So, anybody watching FFIE? Yeah. Uh, there we go. Yeah, it looks like that's almost. Oh, let's go! Almost 100 likes, guys. 4 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. You're holding it, okay? At 940. Okay, that's not too bad. You're in just around this demand zone. So if we can stay above it, then happy days. Tesla, what's Tesla at? Ooh, Tesla broke above 173. Yeesh, yeesh, Tesla, yeesh, Tesla. Christy, ayo, 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 yeesh. Yeah, Tesla is sending it. Yup, yup, yup. Yeah, I know. I was looking at It is interesting though. Like we looked at this Tesla master plan. It's interesting. Elon said he wrote this 6 years ago, right? So, well, however many years ago he said 8 years ago he wrote this, right? So it seems like that's his plan for Tesla. Peter, much love. Have good meetings. See you later. So create a stunning solar roof with integration battery storage. Expand the lines, address all major segments. Self-driving that is 10 times faster than the manual. And okay, cool. Enable your car to to make money for you when you aren't using it. Oh, interesting. Oh, wow. Huh, interesting. Enable your car. So if you own a Tesla, your Tesla, someone could like summon your Tesla, like, hey Tesla, come to me, and then you can make monies from that. Interesting. That's cool. Um, yeah, UCAR looks like it broke above the 200 finally. Stay above that IBAN. Stay above it. Stay above it. AUUD is still fighting. It's getting a little bit dangerous now, though, with the size of the wicks. The size of the wicks. FFIE is slowly curling there. Again, if you're holding this thing, just make sure that it stays above that demand zone. If not, you're looking for closer to 9 or below, actually, below 9 because of the 200. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to come back and read that stuff again. Okay, cool. Uh, when approved by regulators, it will mean that you'll be able to. I just want to read the rest of it. Summon your Tesla from pretty much anywhere. Once it picks you up, you will be able to sleep, read it now. Okay, we read that part already. You will also be able to add your car to the Tesla shared fleet just by tapping a button on the Tesla phone app. Does Tesla have a phone app now, or are they planning on making one? So this is basically like Uber, isn't it? Yeah. And have it generate income for you while you're at work, offsetting potential exceeding the monthly loan and lease costs. So you could basically buy a Tesla and then have the money like offset your loan or your lease. The cost of ownership upfront can own a Tesla since most cars are only interesting. Interesting. Good morning, Caesar. Interesting. Customers Tesla will operate on its own fleet. I want to. Nah, nah, nah. That may have went down the toilet. Mm. VX, can you take a look at CADL? Where's the next support? I'll take a look. What's your position? So that's the AI part of Tesla, right? That's the AI part. Well, I mean, this too. Tesla vehicles will to be fully self-driving with blah 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 blah. Drive itself safely. It's important to emphasize software refined and far better than the average human driver. There will still be a significant time gap before self-driving is approved by okay, cool. 6 billion miles will require something on. Okay, so Tesla's at 1 billion now. So okay, okay. I wanna. You still hate them? No, that's OCGN. Yeah, I don't like OCGN. Themselves, and it would therefore be to delay release that press or some according to the in 9 million miles will soon exceed twice the number and that's cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I feel like for Tesla though, that's a long ways away. AUD finally sold off to the bottom of the demand zone here. To the bottom. Interesting concept. If you own Tesla, type in yes in the chat. Like if you own Tesla stock, type in yes in the chat. IZEA, image form AI, IZEA. With some news. Okay, while I'm waiting for that, let me go take a look. The S&P is trying to go back up there. UCAR came right back to the 200. So you're in CADL at $8 and 830. Okay, you didn't put a stop loss on this thing, did you? You didn't. VX. Please use those stop losses. And also, you're coming back from the abyss from $6, so that's a pretty good recovery. Your next resistance is right there at $7.70, right? So this is a supply zone from Friday breakdown, and also now it's a double top for today, right? So 573 ish. Your next support, I would really pay attention to this 200 right there. right there. So anything above like $6.80. And you could also just use $7 as a psychological level. I did sell at 11, waiting for news tomorrow. Oh, I see. Okay. Andre says yes. Jay says yup. Yup, yup, yup. With a nice curl. You're in on that. Yeah, you are. Yeah, this one did well on Friday, right? So maybe it's yeah. Some of these names are coming back to life, back to life, back to reality. Kenny, yes, okay. Now that it's over $1, yes, Jeff, yes. As long as it stays above $1, $1.05, yeah. Again, I've said this multiple times though, right, Jeff? So this is the other side of the coin, right? I've said today a few times how I hate stocks that are below the white line. So this one sitting below the white line right there, the ancestry line, it's a problem, right? Because it's being like restricted. They're like ancestors keep it down. So again, I like it because it's holding $1, but it's really going to need to get above the 200. And if it can, that's good because it hasn't done it for a long, long time. So it needs to get above the 200, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Back to life. I like it, Justin. Some classic bars, yes. See, I know all these songs and I've heard these songs. I just never know who sings them or who knows the them or like their names. So here comes Pablo to roast me along with Dan. Hates us. Ooh, look at that candle on. That was a pretty red candle. That was a nasty candle on the ES in spine. That would have been a nice short. Ew, brother. That was a nice short, Pavan. Wait, did you short it? Soul vibing. Soul vibing. Yeah, looks like Live W is just playing with that level, isn't it? It's holding. So like I said, $1.75 ish. Stay above it, and you're okay. Uh, when random people add you on WhatsApp, it's like, huh? Do you guys just randomly find you just do numbers and hope that somebody clicks? Unbelievable. People have too much time. Too much time. Back to there goes $1.89. I bet you Justin is in this. 7-second trades. Isn't that crazy? Madness. Quantity, 3 contracts. There goes 190. Looks gonna say a little bit on the recovery. Okay. 190. Wait, Tesla is going for 174? Nope. Or you want it to stay below that. Paige, what's your entry in Live W? Hopefully it's not $1, $2.20. Otherwise, I'm flying to wherever you live. Trip booked. BCAN is retesting the 200 there, Jeff. Retesting the 200. So let's see if it breaks above for the first time in a long time. 192 Live W. 193 Live W. Come on, send it, send it, send it, send it, send it. 194, 195. Slow and steady. $2. Come on, give Justin $2. Come on, come on, come on. 178. Okay, good. You're green. So put a stop loss page in the green, please. Thank you. Please and thank you. Come on, go. AUD came all the way to the abyss, guys. So meh, right? It was fun. Maybe it's gonna hold 420. Maybe it's gonna retest the 200, and then at some point bounce again. SMFL is at the highs. SMFL. SMFL. Interesting. Yeah, that thing is pushing. Let me go take a look here. What's LGVN doing? Nothing. SMFL new session high 77 cents. Yeah, broke above pre-market highs too. Nice. Double bottom, but then crossed above the 200 and came back for the retest. Feel like the reason why this thing is moving is because of that retest of the 200, and then 80 cents resistance. Not bad. This one was one of the names from the morning. Jeff, BCAN failed at $1.18, which is the 200. So it's trying to go back there though. Did you get back into Tesla calls, Curl? You're delayed. You're delayed, Curl, I think. If you're just answering the question now, you're delayed. So you're going to see this in 2 days. Or you're going to hear me in 2 days saying you're delayed. And then come back to life, back to reality. Let's see. Come on, give us a squeezer. Yeah, seems like 420 is holding there, Justin. Right, that level we wanted to break above so bad. 420, 420. We came back with a retest. Wanted to break above. Live W just playing with us here now. Playing with us. Magic number. Magic. There goes 93 page. Come on, get to $2 already. We don't have time for this rubbish. Retraced a bit. Now it wants to go. Yeah, send it. Send it, please. Send it. 192. Ayo, Larry. What's up? What's up? Oh, go already. There we go. Come on. La, 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 la. Just looking at my news feed here. 194. Come on, give us the breakouts. Come on, Justin. Call the FBI. In what? Interesting. How are you, Larry? Give it to me, baby. Give it to. Let's go. Classics. SEC, we need a pump. Here we go. 194, 195. It's working, Justin. 196. It's working. Come on. Give us 197. We need a pump. Yeah, 196 is the VWAP, so that level is going to be a bit of a problem. A bit of a problem. Here we go. Yeah, there's a nice little ask at 196. Yep. Yep. Resistance. Justin, she said that? Oh wow. Oh my goodness. SMFL failed for now. AUUD, Magic 420 and bounce. BCAN still failing at $1.18, Jeff. FFIE still looks like it wants to cause violence and go for 10 cents. So if it does, that's cool. What's the daily for FFIE actually? I just want to see what it looks like here. That thing came from like 8 cents today. 8 cents today. Uh, you cashed out. You did. Congratulations. Sometimes it's all about the little scalpies, Paige. It makes you feel good, and you're green. So, yep. 165. Oh, come on, Justin. Come on. That's in my long term portfolio. Please. I'm tired of seeing 165. I want to stay green. Don't want to be going green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Be nice to it, please. How about we go to 200, actually to 210, and then to middle rock to 205, and then shoot up to 1,000. Deal? Deal. He can run out of the div. Just one of these puts to print. Yeah, I mean, if anything can dip, it's Tesla for sure. That thing plays a lot of stupid games. A lot of stupid games. La, 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 la. Let's go. Please and thank you, Dan. Please and thank you. Here we go again. So we're holding the 9 EMA, holding the 50, holding the kernel, holding the 20. We just need to clear the VWAP and go for $2 on Live W. It's all we ask. Just smash a like, guys. Yeah, I don't know why, I don't know. It is hard for people to smash a like for some reason. Why, guys? Why? Why is it so hard? Why? If you haven't smashed a like yet, let me know why you haven't smashed a like. I just want to know. What else do you want? What else do you want? What else do you want? It's free and it's really helpful. It's a friendly button. Yeah. It helps more than you know. Like it really, really helps. And it seems like one of those simple things, but it's one of the one of the more valuable things you can do for the community. So smashing the like is really beneficial, and sharing the link and all the other stuff. Richard, you just smash the like now. Oh my days. Richard, I'm gonna take your computer and I'm gonna put a message there that says, have you smashed the like yet? As soon as it show up, Richard, smash the like first before you ask any questions. Smash the like. I'm just kidding. If you don't want to smash the like, that's okay. I'm just saying it really helps. Yeah, exactly. It really, really helps. So, and I really appreciate it. And if you watch all day and you're like, I don't want to smash a like, well, that's okay too, I guess. That's okay too. La, 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 la. But if you do smash a like, may more blessings, more blessings. You know that DJ Khaled meme? More wins, more blessings come to you. Okay. Thank you, Dan. AUD, look at that bounce. Oh my days. 420 really is a magic number, isn't it? 420, Justin, and then boom skis, 470. Sheesh. Beautiful. Has a huge bid at 190. I hate those huge bids. Those things always scare me, Justin, because that person either removes them and it dumps or they do something fishy. Yeah, if you take your 50 cents, yeah, look at that, right? Like it just broke below. Like I hate huge bits. They never seem to work for me. Oh, AUD 50 cents. Yeah, no, that's really nice. Uh, okay, sounds good. Announcement last week 50%, 15%. Okay, 475, 477. That's a really nice curl. Let's go, Jeff. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, BCAN is slowly breaking out there, Jeff. There goes 480 for AUD. My goodness, that was a perfect dip. A perfect dip ski. Dang. Was this name one of the it was, wasn't it? One of the splits, right? Hmm. Thank you, Mark. You're a good egg. Let me see here. Yeah, SMFL is still slowly creeping up here. This one's been getting spammed all over Twitter, X. Good morning, Oksana. Ayo, you smash a like, hopefully helps. It does, Oksana. Thank you very much. Yeah, it really does. Especially when you guys like show up on stream and you smash a like nice and early. It really does. It really does help. So we're gonna hop off in like 10 minutes or so, guys, and then I'm gonna go do some one-on-ones, and then we're gonna come back. So we might need to do like half and half dance. So come back, but I mean, coming back at the end of the day is almost is hard for futures. Hard for the futures, because it's at the end of the day already. But yeah, I'm sure when we come back, we're gonna talk about futures, 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 futures. But um, yeah, the reason I don't like to come back at the end of the day is because we can do other stuff in Discord, and also it's really slow. But we're gonna come back. Ready? So make sure you show up at actually, yeah, BCAN broke above and closed above. Jeff, look at these candles, right? Those little candles above the white line, and then pop on the next two candles. So closing above the white line, really important. Live W doesn't look too bad if we can stay above the kernel and get back above that VWAP. Get back above the VWAPs. La. Yes. La la la. Come on, give us something else. Something else. Go boomskis. Okay. Let me just check the one-on-one calendar here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, so we're gonna be back for. I only have two one-on-ones today, so that leaves me with an extra hour to slack and do other stuff. So yeah, we'll be on just before power hour. Alrighty, so BCAN is still creeping there, Jeff. It's at the highs of the day now. Not bad. Not bad at all. SMFL is pumping. My goodness, that thing 69%. My goodness, 83 cents. Anybody holding SMFL in the chat? Anybody? It's a really nice push. Nice breakouts too. Nice breakouts. 87. Wow, 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 wow. Driven. La, 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 la. Okay, sounds good. Yes, 70 cents. Okay, nice. Congratulations. Uh, oof. Oof. What? You see that candle? Did you guys see that? That thing went from 88 cents to that? Yee. Penny stocks. Oh, that's nasty. My goodness. Congratulations. Oh my goodness. Damn. Your long position just failed at 67. I mean, you're happy. Ooh, damn. That's nasty. What a scam, Mike. Oh my days. This is very common with these stupid penny stocks, though, isn't it? Penny stocks. At least you're still green, Larry. Damn. Uh, 68 degrees. What a beautiful. Oh, like you mean the weather? Nice. Beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. Na, 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 na. 180, 185. Yeah, it was Page did really well selling above 190. She's like, no thanks, I'm gonna sell at the VWAPs, and it filled at the VWAPs, and it's curling down here now. Also, just honestly closing the candle below the night EMA, below 191, problems. Yep, yep. The worst part about trading is giving back profits. Um, BCAN, look at that thing go, Jeff. Look at that. As soon as it closed above the 9 EMA, above the 200, sorry, right? Look at that. Closed. That's three different candles closing above the ancestry line. What happened? What happens when you regain favor with your ancestors? What happens? Look at that. One, two, three, close above. Boom skis. It's not a huge run. It's not a huge run, but it is something. The S&P is going back, trying to get back above 520. Look at that thing go, 129. Damn, damn, BCAN, damn, BCAN. Where did we fail in pre-market? Well, I mean, there was a lot of resistance all over the place. BCAN. Who can? BCAN. Who can? Let me. Oh, there goes $1.30. $1.30. Again, it's still pennies though. It's like 2 cents. 2 cents per second. Well, that'd be nice, but let me look at Tesla here. The S&P is trying to curl. Tesla has done really well today. Actually, it looks like. Yep, Tesla's at the highs of the day. Highs of the day. Don't worry, something's gonna happen and Tesla's gonna lose it all, and then Justin's gonna smile. So if you wanted to buy Tesla, well, it looks like 160 was the entry price, wasn't it? Right? We talked about this. Um, we talked about this as it happened. This little circle right here is skewed a little bit because we talked about the retest, and it took a few days extra, but it finally got back to 160. Right? So, sure, Krista, why? But anyway, so yeah, that's a beautiful double bottom on Tesla. If Tesla ends up back at 200 off this double bottom, that'll be sweet. That will be sweet, sweet, sweet. But then again, it's Tesla. We know what it's capable of. If we see Tesla 150 tomorrow, would you be surprised? Nope. 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 But yep, we'll see. Crystal, you are you saying shoot because I'm saying Tesla is going to be back to the abyss? Choo, choo, choo. I mean, I hope not, but again, it's Tesla. So BCAN pushed all the way to 134 and then backed off. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Choo, 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 choo. Session highs. Oof, that's not what I want to open. DXYZ, let me take a look. So DXYZ has been getting spammed a little bit. 100, yeah. I think Roy, I know you love this stock because it's just been going. I mean, they could have found a better name to use. They're like, nope, DXYZ. DXYZ is the name. That thing has gone from $12, actually from $8. Okay, $8 to $94. That's wild. DXYZ. The reason why we haven't talked about this too much is because it's been hanging around like the high range for some time now. It's like it hasn't just gone from $8 to $90 today. It's been hanging up there for the last week or two or however long. So it's been slowly going up, but it's up $34 alone today. Isn't that impressive? Roy, what's your entry on this thing? What's your entry? Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. La la, 100 soon. La 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 la. Let's see. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Since let me know if you have any last questions. Let's do 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna hop off and go to Discord. Already all. So yeah, 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna hop off. So we're gonna be back for Power Hour. Power Hour, we shall be back. So make sure you come back. Alrighty. There you go. So again, smash a like before you run away. And if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. So make sure you smash a like and join us in Discords. Blah blah blah. AUUD is failing and dipping. Live W is back to $1.90, so maybe it still has a chance. As long as it gives us higher lows, it has a chance, of course. So, yup, yup. Na, na, na. La, 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 la. Yes. Yes. And then we should be back to the morning streaming at so 5 minutes, so 8:35 Eastern. Um, alrighty. Music is a bit loud, so 8:35 in the morning Eastern time, which is, anyways. No, there's more than that, Sky. You just have to refresh it. There goes live W's. Yeah, this thing might not be done, Justin. So on watch for sure. On watch. It's breaking that trend. 192. Let's see here. Uh, trying to push over the view app AUD. You probably have a different view app, Veronica. Yeah, the quite a few. Like my view app, this thing has been above my view app all day long, which is beautiful, right? So above the 200 and the view app suite. So AUD looks good. It does seem to be forming a cup and handle, but resistance at 485. So we shall see. Closing everything out except and Tesla puts. Okay, sounds good. Jeff, not in. Okay. Uh, Thereafter you give on your channel. My second day watching. I appreciate it. Let's go, Schooly project. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for the feedback. And if you want more awesome stuff, come join us in Discords. And well, thank you. I appreciate that. Regular candle chart. Okay. And TradingView to identify trends. Very good. Very good. Good job. Yeah, technical analysis is very important. You know, like very important. I never know how like people trade without charts. You can trade momentum names without like technical analysis. That's fine. It like I don't know. If I had to trade without candles, I'd be so lost. I don't know if I could do it. Back in the day, yes. Back in the day, you just played with the vibes. You see a stock pumping, you're like, wait, it has to go up more, right? And you jump in. But these days, I don't know if I could do that. Your screen always the so this is called the bull bear algo for members. Jay, bye for now. So yeah, this is called the bull bear algo. So members can get it in Discord. Level two trading. Yeah, Joe. Yeah. Tends to ignore the EMAs. You wanted to send me there, Dan, to the abyss, so I could get entered, huh? Unbelievable. Yeah, there is an EMA though. On TraderVate, Dan. It's like a blue gray line. That thing is magic. Uh, See, like I don't even know what it is. I don't know what it is, but that thing is magic. Magic. Yeah, I don't know if I could like click on it and figure out what it is. Uh, it's like this weird 14 EMA or something. Yeah, SMA 14 or something like that. Yeah, SMA 14. It works really well. Yeah. 1250, Troy. 1250. No TA necessary on NQ. NQ just takes your eyebrows. Doo, doo, doo. That's a stock EMA. You changed mine to oh, you did? You changed it to 920, 50, 200? Okay, nice. I'll play around with it. I'll play around with it for sure. I like it. I like it. Let me see. Doo, 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 doo. Value. Okay. Spy wants to crash. Yep. Yeah, broke below. Yup. What dip? Oof. 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 That would have been a nice short. Oh dang! Look. Oh my. Oh whoa. Whoa. You seeing that? Oh my goodness. What's happening? Did somebody say something again? You're in it? Oh my goodness, Joe. Oof. In it, bruv. You see that? That thing got entered. Oh my goodness. Damn. Wonder what happened there. Gravity too strong. La, 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 la. Yeah, it looks like the whole market's. Yeah, you. It looks like you got your double top on Tesla there, Justin. Double tops on Teslas. Oof! Look at that. Look at the size of that drop, though. Sheesh. 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 14 contracts short. Joe smiling. Uh-oh, Pablo, what happened? You'd be rich on that candle? Yup. Yep, it's bouncing though. It's recovering. If that thing recovers all of that candle, that'd be impressive. What happened, Pablo? Adam Aaron? We were talking about the your post earlier from Adam Aaron. DXYZ is at 96 now. It was at 98 actually. 99 DXYZ. Sheesh. Or the that short position. If I kept that short position, that would have been so nice, Joe. Should have kept it. Oh, I showed it the breakdown, but ETAO with a nice push. Yeah, there are quite a few names we need to look at once we get back to Discord. So there's like spams for APVO, not too poor, and then ETAO. Yep, it's halted up actually. ETAO. Wow. Okay. Dang. Halted up. Is is that spelled entad or entad? I like how you put an H. Uh, the second one with the E, HED. Entad. AMC Diamond Handles Entad by Adam Aaron. You like the first one? You like the first one? Okay. I mean, however you want to spell it, Pablo. Some people will also spell it EREED. So it does. It does. Either way, exactly. Either way, dang, that's an interesting bounce on that counter there, Joe. You see that? Did you get rid of your short position, Joe? Dang, that thing wants violence. You got rid of it? Okay, nice. Very nice. You have a single? Okay, single short. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's coming back down, so it's coming back down. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna leave it here for today. For now, we will be back for Power Hour after I'm done with calls, and then yeah, see you guys in Discord. Be safe, make monies, and yeah, much love. Thank you all very much. See you guys in Discord. Alrighty, Joe, see you in Discord. See ya. Yeah, we'll be back with Power Hour for sure. Um, Alrighty, exactly, Pablo. Yeah. Bye, Pablo. Bye, Dan. Troy, see you later. Yes, don't stay into the sun. Alrighty. Ciao, ciao, Troy. Radio. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.